Today I'm checking out this spa filter that was sent to me at no cost so I can do the review. Let's go ahead and take this thing out of the box and check this out. So when you take the filter out of the box, it's going to have this plastic coating over it, this shrink wrap plastic. You're going to want to take that off, of course, or if you don't, it's not going to filter and it's not going to go in. It does have this nice molding edge right here, so that way it fits in the housing right. So you have this lip right here that kind of sticks out, and then you have this side here that is flat with a little indentation here. It is kind of an oval shape with the circular hole in the middle, so that way you can slide it over the tube. And it has this band here to kind of keep all of this stuff nice together. So you do not want to take this little band off when you replace the filter, because this band here helps keep the filter together. So when there's pressure going into the filter and it's doing its job, this portion is going to want to bulge out a little bit. And the band kind of keeps it all together to help it support the amount of pressure that's going through the filter. It's got really nice pleated filter material here, so you get, you know, a lot more area that's doing the filtering. The more pleats they have and the deeper the pleats, just the more filtering capability it has. And overall, it's got a nice build quality on it. Like I said, it's got this nice molded ends. It's not like a soft rubber, it's like a rubbery plastic, but it is kind of hard, and it looks like it's going to fit and slide in the filter housing just fine. So this is going to fit most of the Dreammaker hot tubs and spas. There's a lot of different models that this does fit and different part numbers to replace. So definitely look it up. Make sure that this is the type of filter that your Dreammaker needs. Good premium quality filter, and I think it's going to work great. All right, thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.